This is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email using your Android tablet. So if you have Gmail set up, this is going to be really easy. We can check the Google folder right here and we should be able to find Gmail, or just swipe up and we can go to search and type in Gmail. And this is going to be linked to your Google account. So you can see my Google account is going to be logged in right here. So I should be able to just go to take me to Gmail. We can allow notifications, but this is just a non-serious kind of email I use for videos. So on here now, there should be an option to compose. Let's go to compose. And then come up with someone to send an email to. You can just do yourself here. Let's go to YourSixStudios@gmail.com. And then come up with a subject, maybe like photos of me or something like that. Whatever you're trying to send an email to, or what the purpose is. Then we can compose the email. Hi, how's it going? So just come up with something here. Now if you wanted to attach photos and stuff, you want to come up to this little pin right here, this paperclip. We can tap that. We can attach photos, camera files, or from the drive. So let's go to photos. Then maybe do this photo right here. Then we can go to done. Now we'll add it in here. If you have larger, maybe like documents or a video file, we can go to a drive and we can look at this too. And if you upload something to your Google Drive, I think you can have much larger capacity to send a video file, so you can try that out too. But here's photos. Let's try a video file right here. So this one's like 1 minute long. And I think it will automatically just convert that to a drive link. Yep, it is. Then you can just go to the send option. And it should send that Gmail now. And you can check in the top left. You can go to where it says sent. So here it is. Everything I sent, usually just to me for random videos. A lot of times I just send pictures or files to myself. Just because it's easy to get it from your tablet to your computer. So very easy to do using Gmail if you need to go ahead and get something on a different device. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.